Hello everyone, it's Gummy, and today's tutorial is going to be how to turn this red pacifier into a Kylo Ren pacifier. So this tutorial is going to include decorative drip, as well as attaching figures to pacifiers, and rhinestones and pearls. So I hope you guys enjoy this little craft. You'll need an adult-sized pacifier, a Kylo Ren figure, black hot glue, red rhinestones, and black pearls. We're going to start off by attaching the figure to the center pacifier. I'm using non-toxic hot glue. E6000 would be stronger, but the fumes are highly toxic. Now I'm using the black glue sticks to create a cool black drip on the button. I'm also filling in the space between the figure and button for strength. We're going to stop about halfway through and sit it down to allow it to dry evenly. Now let's move on to the guard. We're going to do the main decorative drip here. Starting with the edge, and then we'll lightly coat the top and then drip it down. Like so. See how I'm sort of guiding it? This will form where the drops go evenly. And curl to finish it off. Now, back to the button, we're going to continue filling it in. So we're just going to press it back here, inside, and drip it down. And then allow it to dry yet again. For the handle, we'll be using red rhinestones and black pearls. The glue we're using is called tacky glue, which is a medium strength non-toxic glue. It goes on white and dries clear. We'll be adding the pearls to the outside edge and rhinestones to the inner until it's fully covered on one side of the handle. I'm using some tweezers here to help me, and I'm doing slow sections at a time. That way the glue doesn't dry in between. This takes a bit of time. When you're done, you're going to want to allow 24 hours for it to dry completely before attempting to handle it. Ta-da! So this is how it came out. As you can see, you have the slight shine here with the rhinestones, and the black drip just really sets the mood for our little dark prince. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, my little gumdrops! It's a good boy.